Hi everyone! Today we're making barbecue chicken in the Instant Pot. We're going to do it keto style, and we're going to do it with 5 ingredients, not including salt, pepper, and oil. To start off with, I have 5 pounds of chicken. I've got legs and thighs today, but breast would work just as well. Make sure we're going to season the top side, or just one side of it, with salt and pepper. If you have some other seasoning that you like, that would be fine too. And now I have my 6-quart Instant Pot preheated on the highest saute setting. I'm going to drop in a couple of tablespoons of oil. It's a very neutral, unflavored vegetable oil. And then working in batches, we're going to sear off each piece of chicken. Each piece is going to take about 5 minutes on each side. And make sure you reseason the other side with salt and pepper before you do the flip. You could simplify things even more by skipping this browning step, but if you do, then you're going to miss out on all that golden goodness that's on the bottom of the pot. Later on, we're going to be using some liquid to scrape up all that golden goodness, and it's going to add a lot of flavor to your cooking liquid. So I highly recommend not skipping this step. Continue working in batches until you brown up all the pieces of chicken. For my cooking liquid, I'm using a cup of chicken broth, so that's just 1 teaspoon of better than bouillon and a cup of water stirred together. You can use any other flavorful liquid that you might like. You can use apple juice, you can use pickle juice, believe it or not, pickle juice is really good, or you can just use plain water. During this step, you want to make sure that you deglaze the bottom of your pot completely. You want to make sure you don't have anything stuck to the bottom, because that might get you a burn warning later. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sweetener, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and about 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I'm choosing sugar-free options today because I wanted to stay keto, but feel free to use regular white or brown sugar or any regular barbecue sauce that you prefer. Alright, and then we're going to nest our chicken pieces back into the cooking liquid, and we'll try to put the legs on top because they're going to cook a little faster. And if you skip the browning step, you're going to want to add a couple minutes to the cook time, but these that are already partially cooked from our browning are only going to need 10 minutes under pressure. Oh my gosh, these smell so good, you guys. So now we're going to finish these off under an oven broiler. I've got a sheet pan with a piece of parchment paper. So I'm going to spread out the chicken on the parchment paper and then pour over some more barbecue sauce and brush it out. And then I'm going to stick them in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And keep an eye on it though, because it can burn really quickly. These came out so perfect. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, the ingredients and instructions are in the description box below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!